Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Taking Back Tech, where I try to help you take back tech, figure out some things that you may not have known, and watch a cool video at the same time. So, you're on YouTube. I'm going to show you how to watch free movies right here within YouTube on your home screen down the left hand side. Now, this is not only for browsers, it's for your phone, it's for your tablet, it's for anywhere you can watch YouTube. If you don't have this sidebar down the side, you can use the search option. What you want to look for here is this tile, movies and shows. Once you click it, you pull up a list of all the movies and shows that YouTube has to offer. And as you can see, there's buy options and there are rent options. What you want to do is you want to go down to the free to watch section, which is the next section. And if you hit view all, you'll get dozens of movies that YouTube provides absolutely free, a wide variety of content from comedy to action, adventure, and everything else. You'll like it. You're getting something for free. You figured out something that you might have known. And that's pretty much it. Be sure to check that link in the description. It takes you right to my merchandise store. Hope you find something to help support the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.